नए नजरिए के साथ ये तीनों कानून आज सुबह से ही मतलब कल मध्य रात्रि से काम करना शुरू किए हैं।
As you know, our concern was they were not fully discussed in Parliament because all the opposition was suspended. So it would have benefited from a further discussion. But the law is the law. We'll have to observe it.
तीनों नए कानून को लागू करने के लिए दिल्ली पुलिस बिल्कुल तैयार है।
India sees 3 new laws that replace colonial time laws today. We see a big change in jurisprudence today. There are 3 new laws that are going to replace the Indian Penal Code Act. It's also going to replace the Code of Criminal Procedure and the Indians Evidence Act. The 3 new laws that are named the Bharatiya Nyaya Sanhita instead of the Indian Penal Code, the Bharatiya Nagrik Suraksha Sanhita replacing the Code of Criminal Procedure, and the Bharatiya Sakshay Adhiniyam will replace the Indian Evidence Act. What changes are there? What's for the better? Let's tell our viewers.
नए नजरिए के साथ ये तीनों कानून आज सुबह से ही मतलब कल मध्य रात्रि से काम करना शुरू किए हैं। अब इंडियन पिनल कोड जिसको आईपीसी कहते थे 1860 से जो कानून था इसकी जगह बीएनएस भारतीय न्याय संहिता आएगी। क्रिमिनल प्रोसीजर कोड जिसको सीआरपीसी कहते थे जो 1898 से अमल में था इसकी जगह भारतीय नागरिक सुरक्षा संहिता बीएनएस आएंगे। और इंडियन एविडेंस एक्ट 1872 से जो इस देश की क्रिमिनल जस्टिस सिस्टम को गवर्न करता था इसकी जगह भारतीय साक्ष्य अधिनियम बीएसए लागू होगा। तो बीएनएस, बीएनएसएस और बीएसए के लागू होने से पूरी न्याय प्रणाली का आपराधिक कानूनों की पूर्णतया इसके अंदर हम कह सकते अब भारतीय आत्मा है।
There's going to be speedier justice. There's going to be judgments that are now required to be given within 45 days after completion of trial. That means it's speedier justice. Also, the charges have to be framed within 60 days of the first hearing. The new laws make it mandatory that a person can file a zero FIR in a police station regardless of any jurisdiction. It's also going to permit online registration of police complaints, electronic serving of summons, videography of crime scenes mandatory for all heinous crimes, and summons can and have to also be served electronically, expediting the legal process. However, for our viewers, we also want to tell you the criticism that is there for the new laws. The new laws significantly expand the maximum duration of police custody from 15 days to 90 days, increasing it if the excesses are there by the police and also the evidence. The new laws are also giving police officers broad discretion to choose the new laws or the existing UAPA laws without really knowing and understanding any clear guidelines. The new laws also introduce the words offences related to terrorism, organised crimes, acts endangering with sovereignty, and these have to be settled down as the law of the land. There are concerns about the new provisions regarding the scope of police custody.